Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WH-XB700 headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you cannot get these headphones to connect to Bluetooth, or they're not pairing or syncing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're having any issues like that, this can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to get a fresh start with these earphones and have them delete all the pairing history and just go back to the way they were when they came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. It's very easy to do. So all you need to do is, first of all, you're going to make sure that they're unplugged, and that then once you do that, you can turn them off. And then once you do that, you're going to come in and you're going to find this call button here and the power button over here, and you can press and hold the power button and that call button simultaneously for about 7 seconds. After about 7 seconds, the indicator light here will blink 4 times in blue, indicating that the reset is complete.